Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're dealing with the frustrating 8E error code on your Samsung refrigerator from 2025, you're in the right place. This error often pops up due to issues with the defrost sensor or communication problems between the fridge's components, but don't panic. Most fixes are straightforward and can be done at home. Today, I'll walk you through the steps to get your fridge running smoothly again. First things first, safety is key. Make sure to unplug your refrigerator before starting any troubleshooting to avoid electrical hazards. Got it? Great, let's dive in. Step 1. Unplug the fridge and leave it off for about 5 minutes. This simple reset can clear temporary glitches causing the error. After waiting, plug it back in and see if the error persists. If it does, move to step 2. Check the defrost sensor located in the freezer compartment. You'll need to remove the back panel. Use a screwdriver if necessary, but be gentle to avoid damage. Look for any frost buildup or loose connections. If you see frost, defrost the fridge manually by leaving the doors open for a few hours. Once that's done, reassemble and power it up. Step 3. If the error is still there, inspect the wiring. Sometimes, a loose wire or connection can trigger this code. Carefully check the wires behind the fridge panels and secure any that seem out of place. Now, if none of these steps work, it might be time for a professional. Contact Samsung support or a certified technician, as there could be a deeper issue like a faulty control board. Remember, attempting repairs yourself could void your warranty, so proceed with caution. There you have it, your guide to fixing the 8E error code. By following these steps, you'll save time and money. If this video helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more handy tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.